Yes, very good morning and warm greetings to everyone present here. Now we can see we are going to deal about the demonstration of how to find the forces in the members of the trusses, especially only three members I have marked, that is the member CI, then DI and CJ. So only three member forces has been asked. So, but in the case of method of joins also you can able to find, but it will take a lot of time compared to method of section. So in the case of method of section, the only three unknown forces can be determined, so that can be obtained very fast manner. For that, the method of section is very useful. So here I have given a truss which is having the number of members is equal to 17 and number of joint is equal to 10. So use the equilibrium condition m is equal to 2j minus 3. So m is equal to 17 is equal to 2 into 10 minus 3, that is 20 minus 3, 17. So that a type of stress is a perfect stress because m is satisfied 2j minus 3 right hand side equation. So in the case of method of section, only two or three member forces as asked. You can apply the vertical equilibrium, horizontal equilibrium and moment equilibrium. By using three equilibrium condition, you can find the unknown value based on the different end conditions. So here the load is applied only at the point of joints only. You cannot apply in between the two horizontal member or vertical members. Only at the joint you can apply the load. So that is the specialty of the method of joints or method of section in the case of truss analysis. So we have determined is a perfect stress or perfect frame. So I was taken a 17 member truss or a frame, out of which I am asking only 3 member force. So for that you can apply very easily the method of section by applying the moment equilibrium condition sigma m equal to 0, sigma v equal to 0 and sigma h is equal to 0. That is the summation of horizontal force are equal to 0, the summation of vertical force are equal to 0 and summation of the moment is equal to 0. So here we have to take the sections, right, where the maximum of two unknown member forces, right, should be contained. For example, here I am applying the section 1-1 to determine the unknown forces 1-1, that is the member DI or DJ. Then you can go for another right section like this. So you can have a maximum of two unknown member forces. So I cut the cutting plane section like this, so 1-1 and 2-2, so that you can apply vertical equilibrium, horizontal equilibrium and moment equilibrium, so that two unknown can be determined by taking a sectional plane 1-1 at a time, and another time you can take section 2-2, that is a cutting plane. So we have to choose the corresponding members where you have to cut. That is very important in the case of method of section. So after that, you can find the unknown member force by applying vertical equilibrium or horizontal equilibrium or the moment equilibrium. So before that, we have to find what if the height is not given. You have to determine by taking the corresponding span, and also the degree is given between the two angle of the elements of the members. So here we can find the unknown forces in a particular members, either vertical or inclined or horizontal members. So that is the greatest advantage of method of section. We have to choose the sectional plane in such a way that only two unknown forces should be there. If there are three unknown forces, it is somewhat difficult, but you can find, but you have to go for the calculation. So using this section method, you can find the unknown forces of two or three members in a given plane. Suppose we are not known the method of section, so we have to go for the examination. That means we can apply the method of joins. You can find the forces, but it will take time. It will take the method of section 10 minutes. Mean here you will take 1 hour and 20 minutes. So you have a waste of time, and also you cannot complete the examination in a very good manner, completing all the answers for the big question and as well as the 2 mark question and the observation of one mark questions or the fill in the blank question. So this is about the demonstration of a method of section, how we are finding the member forces for a particular members, 2 or 3 members or maximum 4 members. So this is the advantage of method of section in the case of 2D stress analysis. Thank you very much for patient listening. In the next video, we can go for the numerical problem using the method of sections. Thank you very much. God bless. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.